ahead and shine, darling, go ahead and shine, my dear. 'Cause who cares if you might mess it up, just shine. You shouldn't doubt yourself, 'cause you're worth.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Yoyis, and on my channel I have dedicated my time to teaching you guys everything you need to know about lash extensions. So in today's video, I am going to be doing an unboxing for the LAB, which is the Lash Artist Box. So it is a monthly subscription box where you can pretty much test out different brands, different products. Okay. Ooh, so cute. Wow, this is a lot of product. Oh my goodness. The thing I love about the Lash Artist boxes is that you pay about $50 a month, and every time you get different brands, different products. So you will never receive the same thing in a different box. They pretty much change it up all the time, but what you get in your box is way over the price of what you're actually paying for. So if you guys are interested, I do have a discount code that I could share with you guys down below. The good thing about is that some brands do give you a personal discount code for yourself to go check out their brand as well. So I am so excited. Look how much product is in here. Okay, so let's get into it. Oh, the first thing in here is the Borboleta breakdown oil-free makeup remover. This feels like high-end, like a high-end skincare. Oh my god, I love the packaging. Wow, this is so cute. Oil-free makeup remover. Oh my goodness, I'm gonna have to start using this. It has a nice scent. It doesn't smell strong, but look at the packaging. It's so cute. It kind of matches my nails too. How cute. Wow, that is a lot of noise out there. So there is a bunch of guys out there hanging out. I don't know what it is. Mainly it's women hanging out, but there is a bunch of dudes out there hanging out in the hallways. I literally stuck my head out, and I'm pretty sure they got the hint. I'm pretty sure they got the hint. Okay, so the next thing in here is called Clean Swoop Makeup Removing and Cleansing Brush with Drying Stand. And I believe this is their brush that I've been seeing all over Instagram. Oh, this is cute. So it comes like this, and it has a little borboleta, and I believe you open it like this. And it has a little brush. How cute. This actually looks similar to the Dollhouse brush. It can be a little different, honestly, but it looks very similar to the Dollhouse. And it pretty much has like a little swoop, so you can like really get in there. I don't wear extensions, so I probably won't be using it, so I'll probably end up giving it away to somebody. But yeah, look how cute it is. Maybe for like my eye makeup, I'll try it out and see how it works for me. But I love this. Look how cute it is. And then you can put it back in here. So there's like a drying stand. I probably wouldn't close it when it's drying, because then it ends up building mold when you do have it like in tight containers. So I'll probably leave it open so it could dry out. So cute. Okay, if you guys hear some like scratchy noises, it's probably my microphone rubbing on my hair. The next thing in here is this Lash Bath Gel Cleanser. So cute. And I believe these are all little mini sizes. These are perfect for travel. So look how tiny it is. It's so cute. And I believe it's a gel. So a little bit goes a long way. And the packaging, honestly, I love the packaging. Again, it matches my nails. You can see that. There you go. And it is a 0.15, 5 fluid ounces. It's very tiny, so perfect for travel. And again, the brand is Borboleta. So everything in this box is from Borboleta. Okay, the next thing in here is their go-to adhesive. The packaging is really, really cute. So it says, for a new level of predictability, Borboleta's go-to adhesive collection has been exclusively developed by a custom formula providing immediate grab and shocking long-term retention you can count on. Nice. What is the dry time on here? Oh, look, the packaging is so cute. And then it has an extra nozzle in here, if I can get it out. So I can't get it out. I'm gonna have to get it from the bottom. But it has an extra glue nozzle, which is perfect. I'm gonna have to open it from the bottom because I can't seem to get it from the top. Okay, what is going on? So this is called Go-To Adhesive. It is 5 millimeters. Does not talk about the dry time. Doesn't say how fast it dries down. We will see. We will have to put it to the test because honestly, I like using glues that are 0.5 to 1 second dry time. I do work pretty fast. So if it dries down too slow for me, then it will be a hard pass. But again, it also depends on retention. So we will have to give it a try and I will let you guys know. So yeah, and then we have the hybrid angle hybrid tweezer. Doesn't want to focus on it. Okay. Oh, I love the packaging. So cute, and it has like a little butterfly on there. Ah, I love it. Okay, so it comes in this little baggie, and then it says Borboleta on it. Oh, I love the color of it. And this is their hybrid angle tweezer. You guys can see that. Here you go. Hybrid angle. And it doesn't really say. Doesn't really say much about the tweezer. So I'm gonna have to give it a try and see if it's good for making fans. But the tweezer looks pretty. I love the color. It has that turquoise or teal color. But the tweezer looks pretty nice. We'll have to see how good the grip is. It's more of an isolation tweezer or even just for classic lashes. So we will have to check that out and see how it works. But overall, it's really cute. I love the color. And then the little baggie too is so cute. I love it. The next thing in here is the OG lashes, and it says nothing beats the OG. Since day one, we've been raising the bar with the highest quality handmade extensions that artists rely on, and clients can get enough of it. It's no wonder our award-winning lashes are the industry's go-to for stunning results every time. So we will have to see if that's true, but the packaging is definitely next level. So these are Fox Mink, and I am living for the packaging. It does have like a slanted box, and it's like a hard box. Oh, I love the packaging. Wow. Oh, so these are classic lashes. These are 0.15 CC curl, lengths 7 through 15. Wow. 7, 8, 9, 9, 10, 10, 11, 11. So it's 16 rows from length 7 through 15, and these are 0.15, so that they're classic lashes, and they're in CC curl. On the top it tells you CC curl 0.15, length 7 through 15 millimeters, so obviously it's a mixed length tray. I love it. I'm probably gonna have to buy some more of these if I end up liking it, but they look really, really nice. You know what? Let me check out the tweezers and see if they're really good on picking up lashes. And I'll probably end up creating a look for you guys using these lashes. It's kind of hard when you're trying to pick it up on. Wow, these lashes are really black. I love that they have length 7 all the way to 15. Usually for classic lashes, so these tweezers pick up really, really good. But usually for classic lashes, I don't like using lengths all the way to 15. And if I have done a video way back in the day, just remember it was way back in the day. These lashes are really, really black. They're like really dense. I love the packaging. I love the curl. I love that they have length 7, because a lot of trays don't have length 7. So that is really, really nice. So that's a big win for me right there. I'll just have to see how they look when creating a full set. But I think I found a new favorite brand. Yeah. And honestly, right now, my favorite curl, my favorite go-to curl has been CC curl. I've been obsessing over CC curl. Like C and CC curl, I try not to use too much G curl lately, but something about a CC curl, so beautiful. Okay, so I'm obsessed with the packaging. So nice. Okay, so the last thing in here, I saved this one for last, but I've never been interested in Borboleta. Honestly, I've never been interested in buying stuff from Borboleta. But you know what? I'm thinking I'm gonna have to put in an order with them, because those lashes, the packaging looks amazing. Everything that has been in this packaging just looks like it's high-end skincare products. So the next thing in here, first of all, the packaging. I can't get over the white with the ombre beige color. That is my aesthetic. I don't know if you guys have been noticing, but I have like white and beige and gold with my aesthetic lately, and those are the colors I'm gravitating towards with my brand. So I'm totally going off topic. Anyways, I'm obsessed with the packaging, obviously. So these are the Cool Down Calming Eye Masks. So these are 5 pairs, and these are need a quick boost or soothing eye mask, instantly chill, calm, and refresh tired eyes on contact. Designed to be used after lash treatments, yet so addictive you'll want to use them all the time. Our replenishing gel formula soothes depuffs and diminishes appearances of dark circles. Caffeine firms and boosts circulation, while kelp extract moisturizes and heals. Cooling hydrogel creates a seal to penetrate skin, and our anti-slip design won't budge until you're ready to take the mask off. Remove eye mask from tray and apply under area. Leave for 10 to 15 minutes. Can be used after a lash treatment or anytime you need a quick boost. Wow. Okay. Oh, how cute. Okay, so obviously it's 1 pair in each of these, and it comes with 5 pairs. I'm gonna have to buy a few of these and offer them as like an add-on service for my clients. So if you guys are looking for a good way to make more money in your lash services, this is definitely a good way to add to your lash services, or you can use them on yourself. I actually have a trip that I'm going to Disneyland tomorrow, so we're driving down there. It's going to be like a 4-hour drive, and we're going to leave really late at night. So these will probably be a really good way to try them out tonight. So I will have to let you guys know how I feel about them. If I love them, I might start adding them to my lash services. So hopefully they're good. Alright guys, so that pretty much wraps up today's video. I hope you guys liked today's unboxing. It was quite a few products, and I'm talking about good products in this box. It was definitely a really, really, really good box. So I will have my discount code down below if you guys do want to sign up or just check out any of the products, because I do believe they sell some of these products individually, or you could just go check out Borboleta if you guys want to try out any of these products. Also, sign up to the LAB, which is the Lash Artist Box. That way you guys could be trying out different products every month. And honestly, this month's box was so worth the $50. Like, you are getting way over the worth of the box. So this was a really good box, and the packaging was cute. Everything about this whole box, the products, I can't wait to try them, especially those eye masks and those classic lashes. honestly, I can't wait to try it all. So I hope you guys liked today's video. Also, don't forget to go check out my collab with Flourish Lashes. I will have the video and everything linked down below for you guys. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.